Stand next to a bonfire and back away, and the heat fades fast. Now flip that rule and aim it at the biggest fire in the solar system. The surface of the sun, the glowing skin we actually see, burns at about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but rise just a few thousand miles above it into the pale crown of light called the corona, and the temperature does not drop. It explodes upward past 3.5 million degrees. That is not a typo. The sun's outer atmosphere is up to 300 times hotter than the surface sitting directly beneath it, like the air 6 feet above a campfire scorching hotter than the coals. Scientists have known something was wrong since 1939, when astronomers studying an eclipse spotted a strange green glow in the corona that matched no known element on Earth. It took until 1941 for physicist Bengt Edlund to realize the glow came from iron atoms stripped of 13 electrons, something that only happens at temperatures north of 1,000,000 degrees. That discovery broke the obvious explanation. Heat is supposed to travel from a hot source outward and cool as it spreads, the same way a stove cools the air around it the farther you stand back. The corona breaks that rule in the most extreme place we know of. We post a new impossible object like this every single day, so subscribe if you want tomorrow's to land in your feed automatically. The leading explanation now points to the sun's own magnetic field acting like a whip. Twisted magnetic field lines snap and reconnect above the surface, releasing bursts of energy called nanoflares, millions of tiny explosions happening constantly, invisible from Earth but powerful enough to superheat the thin gas around them. NASA's Parker Solar Probe was built specifically to test this. On April 28, 2021, it became the first spacecraft in history to fly directly through the corona, close enough to touch the sun's atmosphere and sample the plasma and magnetic snapping in real time. Drop a comment and tell me if you'd fly that mission, because the data Parker Solar Probe sent back only deepened the puzzle instead of closing it. The probe detected switchbacks, sudden zigzagging kinks in the magnetic field that whipped through the corona like cracking a rope, dumping energy exactly where the extra heat shows up. But researchers still cannot fully explain why some regions of the corona run cooler while others blaze past 4 million degrees, or why the heating is so wildly uneven across a surface that looks smooth from 93 million miles away. Every star with a similar atmosphere, including ones astronomers are watching for signs of habitable planets nearby, likely runs on this same hidden furnace. So the fire farther from the flame stays the strangest contradiction sitting 93 million miles from your window, still not fully solved even with a spacecraft parked inside it. Hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's, because this one only gets stranger from here.